Here are some great Aukey accessories in the new OmniPower line for charging all of your devices. We have a lot of power delivery, some GAN technology for super small chargers, and we also have some really beautiful cable options. I'm Josh Smith with GuidingMobile.com. Join me to take a closer look at some of the ways that you can upgrade your charging for the new year. This is the Aukey 4-in-1 USB-C hub with wireless charging, so this pulls double duty. One thing I like about this is you can plug it into your laptop with USB-C that works with MacBooks as well as Windows laptops. And from there, you get two USB 3.0 ports. On the other side, we have HDMI that can handle 4K, and then another USB-C. This is where you'll plug your laptop charger in. And with that laptop charger, you're going to be able to pass through up to 100 watts, which is enough to charge almost any laptop on the market. The new 16-inch MacBook Pro uses 96 watts, so this is a nice accessory for that. And then right here is a wireless charger, so you can go ahead and set your phone on here, and as long as it's plugged into power, it's going to start wirelessly charging. It's a really handy option. It's a nice little travel dock, something you can take with you, or something that you can put on your desk and have a really clean setup while still gaining a lot of connectivity options, and it's pretty affordable as well. This is the Aukey 63-watt dual-port PD wall charger. It has GAN technology, and that makes it much smaller than a typical 60-watt charger. And with this, I'm able to charge my laptop at 60 watts if I plug just my laptop in. If I plug my laptop and my phone in, then I'll charge at 45 and 18 watts. Even on a large 15 or 16-inch MacBook Pro, you're going to be able to charge at slower speeds with this, and it works out nicely if you're just trying to top off. I really like that there are two ports here. The plug slides in and snaps out, so you get a very compact, easy to put in your backpack or easy to pack for your trip charger. Next up, we have the Aukey 30-watt PD wall charger, and this is about the size of the standard Apple iPhone charger that's been in boxes for years. It has a nice flip out option for the plug. And this small charger can output 30 watts, and what that means is you can fast charge your iPhone. If you have an iPhone 8 through the iPhone 11 Pro Max, you're going to be able to charge much faster than with the traditional Apple charger. This works out really nice. It's super slim. It's great for keeping in your bag. It's great for taking with you, and it's also very handy. You can use this to charge a small laptop, and it also can charge the iPad Pro up to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro very nicely, and it's just super small. It has that GAN technology that enables this to be smaller and lighter while still delivering tons of power. Another part of the Aukey OmniPower series is this small 18-watt PD charger for your car. This has a really nice feel to it. This feels like a metal or very heavy-duty plastic, and it's a flush mount design, so when you put this into your car, it's going to only show this part. You're not going to have anything sticking out really far, and that gives you a really clean look. This can charge at 18 watts, and what that means is when you use a USB-C to lightning cable, you're going to be able to fast charge your phone while it's in the car. You can get up to 50% power in just 30 minutes, so it's great for recharging on your way home or recharging on a short trip. Next up, we have the Aukey 8,000 milliamp hour wireless charging power bank. So this looks like a standard power bank, but there's actually a wireless charger built in here. So if I put my phone on here, it's going to start charging. You can see the charging indicator there, and that's handy. So you can use this at your desk, you can stick it in your pocket, and then we also have ports to charge from. So we have a quick charge 3.0 port, a USB-C port, and then a standard USB port. So you can really use this to charge up quite a few things. This charges via micro USB over here on the side, and then there's a small indicator for how much power is left and a button to turn charging on and off. It's a really handy option. It's really slim, really sleek. I like the design on this, and I like that it includes wireless charging. That's really handy when you're traveling. I especially like something like that if I'm set up at a trade show working, or if I'm at my hotel room, I can just set that down on the desk. Now I have a wireless charger that's with me on the go. Rounding out these options, we have some really nice charging cables. These are braided, so typically that means they'll hold up better. This one has a little leather clasp for keeping it organized, which is perfect if you're going to stick this in your bag. And this model in red is USB-C to USB-C. It feels really nice. It looks really cool. I really like the red color. and something that'll stand out and make sure no one takes your cable by accident. This is the USB-C to USB-C. They also offer a USB-C to Lightning, and this one's in black, but it's braided. And this will allow you to use many of these chargers and other chargers you own to fast charge your iPhone. You can get 50% battery life from about 30 minutes on the charger. It's really handy. I really like this. It has a great feel to it. This one has a little Velcro clasp that you can use to keep it organized, so it's a really handy option. Thanks for joining me to take a look at the OmniPower series from Aukey. Some of my favorites include the USB-C braided charger. I'm going to start using that with my laptop. All the options here are really interesting, but these are my favorites just because they're super small and pump out a lot of power. You can check out more down in the link below. We also have some of our favorite accessories for the devices that these work with over at Gotta Be Mobile. If you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up. That really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.